Okay, I'm now a couple more blocks up the street, and you see this one here. Nice porch, nice color, nice shutters, little staircase. Oh, this one is called the Davidson Penland House. So, constructed between 1866 and 1868. Wow, right after the Civil War. Okay. So here, let's step back here. Even though we got sun, without me trying to fall off the curb here, I'm trying to get you the whole house. Alright, hopefully you like that. Okay, a couple of houses right up the street, same block. We come across this one. It's more simple, and that's actually what I like about it. It's simple, it's white. It's obviously been made into a couple of apartments. There's a couple of mailboxes there on the porch, but it does have a full porch. There's not one up there, which is a shame. I like the detail, like up in the upper window, and it just looks simple and good to me. So hopefully you think the same way. Alright, next up we have this house here, and now it has got some intricate details up along in here. You can see, look across. Very nice. I like the color of it. It's a very light green with dark green shades, and then that yellowish trim all the way around it, almost a white. Big white staircase, and nice detail right up there. Boy, the sun's just in the wrong angle for me. Okay, so here's our next one. This is actually turned into a business. See, it says Creative Combinations Inc. Alex Gonzalez, general contractor. Got a nice bay window there. Got just a small porch here, but got it nicely decorated with ivy and flowers and things. This is says circa 1870, and the address is 1305 Post Office. So cute little place actually. And here, while I'm here, I'll go ahead and video this one. See a great big white one right beside it, and it's got a big porch. Got a little dollhouse over there. Then a nice little upstairs porch up through there, right there. So pretty decent too. Alright, now this one's an interesting color. Got a nice full porch all the way across it. Quite a few stairs there to climb. Got some little corbel details up at the top. So it's kind of plain, simple, but still nice. So yeah, right there you can see the whole thing. Hopefully you like this one. Alright, so here's the next house, and see, it's a very light shade of green. Big house, it got big shutters there. Got some fancy details here on the house. Got some sun catchers up there in those windows, looks like. Got a dormer on each side. Nice stairs, 1401. Then they painted the door a light blue. That's really a nice contrast there actually. I like that. And the stairs are green on the steps themselves. And then more of those sun catchers there. So this one's really, really nice. And finally just the little pink things in the staircase there. Pretty nice. We like it. Okay, here's the next one right beside that one. You see it's a much squarer house. Got the porch top and bottom. Top isn't covered, but that's okay. And then it's got some details in it too. I'm not sure if I agree with the paint scheme, but you know, it's interesting enough to capture and to show you. And here while I'm at it, we'll go ahead and just take this one. Nice great big yellow one. The white one. It looks kind of empty actually. It's got two porches. Got a lot of details in the railings and things. So, and a neat interesting door. Pretty nice house. Now the very next one, which is right beside it, 1411, it's got two covered porches, top and bottom. Needs a cleaning, and then it would look a lot better. But still not a bad looking house. And then got a lot of Spanish moss there in that tree for some reason. And here is the neighbor. It too has two porches. Strange colored door. Ooh, cool mailbox though. Check that out. And there you go. Okay, and here's the next one I want to capture for you. Got a nice little porch, nice color, some good detail. Brand new steps there, looks like, and an interesting old door there. You can hopefully see that. And then here is its neighbor. You see it's just got one single porch, even though it's a two-story house. So it's kind of lacking in that, but it's got a nice setup. Got 4 chairs, like that. Like the color of the fence, like the color of the house, especially the details. Very nice, and ceiling fans too. So hope you like that one. Okay, I hope you can hear me over that lawnmower down the street. But this is a very cute house, and it actually has a history sign, Victor Gustafson Home. The raised one-story cottage was located at 620 Market Street before the property was purchased by Victor Gustafson. In 1895, it had belonged to Swiss immigrant Henry Rosenberg, who is remembered as a prominent businessman and public benefactor. This was built in 1870. I know, the builder, okay, he lived from 1870 to 1956. But hopefully you can pause the rest of that and read it. But to show you the house, this nice porch, got these nice little lights here. Got something to do with the East End Historical Society or something. Maybe that's who owns it now. I don't know. But it is a good looking house, and I do like it. Hope you do too. Alright, if you're interested in the house I'm about to show you, well, take a look at that sign. And apparently it's for sale. Yeah, get us out of the sun. But look up here. 2 porches again. Big staircase. A dummy and a loud machine. You can see it's got the realtor key thing up there, so it's definitely for sale. Got some nice details. These ceilings are painted green again on this one, so that's different. Got a little walkway here that goes around towards the back there. But here's its neighbor, and so you can see how big this is. It's very nice, and it also is a historical house I see now. Isaac Heffron House. So here, I'm going to put this up here, pause that and read it. If you're interested, look at the detail down here. That's pretty neat, I think. The 2 porches obviously are neat. A lot of good details up there in the corners and things. Nice doors. Here, get you straight on. Yeah, you should see those doors really good now. Give you kind of a view that away. And how this all sticks out like bay windows here. Pretty nice. And here, just back up and I'll give you the wall as well. That's got. And then, that's about the best I can do with this sign. Okay, I want to show you this one for a couple of reasons. Those doors there are kind of neat. And boy, that sun is just horrible. Got a little porch up there, little porch here. Here's a really cool factor. Do you see that light right there? That is a gas fire light. You don't see very many of those. That is one very interesting facet of this house. So hopefully for that reason alone, you like it. Okay, this is one right next door to what I just shot. She's got a porch up here at the top, full porch down here at the bottom. Not very many stairs on it. They've chosen AstroTurf for the yard here. But it is a nice color house. Got really good details and things as far as the colors around the house, the shutters, you know, all the trim, the columns, of course, all of that. And then they've bricked that right there. And then there's this place. And it's got the 2 porches, of course. All that is brickwork for the stairs. That's interesting. And wood, of course. Little wrought iron action going on here. And overall, not a bad house. And got a big white door there, actually. And a good looking door, I must say. It's 1521. Okay, and this big house here, you can see it don't have full porches, but it does have 2 of them. About half porches, I guess I would call them. Got some nice details in the columns. Nice little bit of work. Got a little light there. Definitely looks like old doors. I don't know if they are or not, but it certainly look like it. But hopefully you like this one. As I'm crossing the street, this is my next target here. You see the porch on the top, this porch on the bottom. and it is very, very nice. I like those porches. It's 1601 staircase and puppy dog right there. Yeah, very nice house. I like it. Okay, now that pelican, I actually caught that yesterday doing the sculpture deal. And then this house, what a color. I have to capture this one just for the color. They've got green, they got black, and they got gold. Pretty wild. Then that angel sitting there. Then they got a very interesting door up there. You can look. Pretty crazy. Okay, now you see this big giant thing. This, I believe, is actually some kind of a B&B. There's a sign here, I know. That has a name. Let's take a look. It says the Mansion on 17th Luxury Bed and Breakfast. So yeah, it is a B&B. I thought it was. So there's that. You see all the details to it. It's got gold, black, and white with it. So, and where this one's at, just so you will know, if you look at the video earlier, remember I shot that yellow one over there, and then that gigantic mansion right there. So this is right across the street from that. Okay, and this one's the one right next door to it. Got these palm trees here. Two great big porches. There's you a better look at it. Especially with that sun out of the picture there. Got these lions over here to greet you. 1711. Alright. Pretty nice, huh? And this house is right next door to the one I just took. Alright, see hopefully the color on it. The details, got a lot of details. You got this bottle thing out here. And just a lot of details in that woodwork. They got a fish laying right there, you can see. Pretty colored ball of some sort there. Not sure what that is. Here we go. Now we're out of the sun. Okay, now you can definitely see the color. You can definitely see all the woodwork there, all the way up to the top. So a lot of nice work on this one. It's got about a half porch, maybe 3/4, and very nice doors back there. All right, let's keep going.